So guys, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this one. And you're going to go here and we're going to do it. Okay, a times a. A times 1. 1a. A times 2a. 2a squared. A times 3. 3a. Okay, and generally speaking, the a squareds can be added together. So what happens when you add a squared to 2a squared? 3a squared, and we add 1a to 3a. You're happy you better put them away? Can't do anything else. Is that alright? Yes, sir? These questions are simplified questions. So they're not, so we're just going to simplify them. P multiplied by P. P multiplied by 3. 3P. 2P multiplied by 2P. 4P squared. 2P multiplied by 3. Not 5P. 6P. Once again, it's the same as last time. 1P squared adds to 4P squared. 5P squared. 3P adds to 6P. 9P. Here we go. Next one. 2x multiplied by 3x. 2x multiplied by minus 3. Minus 6x. Not x squared, just x. If I was to write these out, the first one's 2x by 3x, which we can see 2 x's. The second one's 2x multiplied by 3, minus 3, which I can see only 1x in. The next one is minus 3x by 4x, which is minus 12x. And then the last one's minus 3x multiplied by 2, which is 6. And then it's the same thing as last time. You have 6 of them, but you owe your friend 12 of them. So we're doing 6 take away 12. So minus 6 of them, right? And then you owe your friend 6, but you owe your friend another 6. So in your calculator, you can do minus 6, which gets you minus 12. Okay, guys, I'm going to focus on the first one. This one here. We're going to multiply it out, okay? So it should skip forward for me in a second. Where's your pen? No, where did you put it? Here. Okay, thanks very much. Take the journal with you. Now, here we go. Okay, 2a multiplied by 3a. 6a squared. 2a multiplied by minus 4. Minus 8a. Minus 3a by a. 3a squared, yeah. Minus 3a by minus 7. 21a. Okay. Now, for those of you wondering, each line, you could write them out. You could just go, it's 2a by 3a, which is 6a squared. Then it's 2a by minus 4, which is minus 8a. Then it's minus 3a by a, which is minus 3a squared. And then it's minus 3a by minus 7. 2 minuses make a plus, right? So some people do that in their heads. Other people might need to write that down. It's up to you. Just get it right where possible. 6 take away 3. 3 of them. 3a squared. You owe somebody 8, but you have 21. 13a. We all good? Who got that one right? Here we go. Now, okay. Right, so I'm going to write all these out in the corner, ready? So that will prevent the mistake. 4 multiplied by a squared. 4 multiplied by 2a. 4 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 2 multiplied by 2a squared. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3a. And then finally minus 2 multiplied by plus 4. Now I think I should get this. 4 times a squared, anybody? 4a squared. 4 times 2a? 8a. 4 times minus 1. Minus 2 multiplied by 2a squared. Squared. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. 6a. Minus 2 multiplied by plus 4. Minus 8. Multiply. Now guys, let's look at them. There's your a squareds are underlined in red. Your a's are underlined in blue. So what's 4a squared? Take away another 4a squared. 0. Just gone. Don't even bother with it. What's 8a plus 6a? And then finally, what's minus 4 minus a? Okay. Now, here it is. Ready? So, imagine a scenario like this. 7 plus 3, 5 take away 2. Would you all agree that that 7 plus 3 is 10? 5 take away 2 is 3. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. You all agreed with that? Have I lost anybody? We're all good? Okay, now, here's where I'm going to ask you to try something different. Imagine a world where I'm not allowed to add 7 and 3 together. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply. We added first and multiplied second. I'm going to ask you to multiply first and add and subtract second. Give me a second. We do this using what we call the 4 lines method. Are you ready? 1, 2. So the first number multiplies by both numbers in the other bracket. The second number multiplies by both numbers in the second bracket. Agreed? Let's start off with the first one. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by minus 2. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by minus 2. Now, guess what happens when I add them all together? I'm going to get 30. You'll see in a second. 35, take 14. You can do this in your calculator if you want, but I believe that is 21. 21 plus 15, 36. 36 take 6, 30. And most of you guys are going, here, Kenny, why would I ever do that? The other method was considerably easier. And I agree. However, when I face you with a question like this, see question 4? When I face you with a question like this and it says multiply them out, simplify the answers. Here's the issue. I can't add x and 5 together. And I can't add x and 2 together. So therefore I actually have to multiply first. And then I have to add second. So I'd like you guys to do now is I'd like you guys to multiply that one out that I drew all the lines for. Do your best. I'll give you about 30 seconds. Okay. Would everybody agree that the first line is x multiplied by x? And that is? The second line is x multiplied by 2, which is?
2x.
2x. The third line is 5 multiplied by x, which is? And then finally, the last line is 5 multiplied by 2. 10. Now, you stop there for a minute. Now, remember what I said. X squareds are different than x's. So the x squared is the only x squared. It stays where it is. However, the 2 and the 5 can be added together. And the 10 is left over. Alright, first line, 2x multiplied by x. What do you think you get? Yeah, well done. Now, next line, 2x multiplied by 4. Yeah. And then 1 multiplied by x. Well done. And the last one is 1 multiplied by 4. Huh? Multiply, not add. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. It's alright. You can't add the 2x squared. There's nothing to add it to. 8x plus 1x. 9x, and then the other one? 4. So we're doing question 17 and we're multiplying this out. And what we get is 2x multiplied by 3x, the first line. 2x multiplied by minus 2 is the second line. Minus 1 multiplied by 3x is the third line. And minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is the fourth one, okay? Let's multiply all these out. What's 2x times 3x? Okay, that's that one gone. What's 2x multiplied by minus 2? Minus 4x, because 2 times minus 2. Minus 4. Minus 1 times 3x. And probably where most people made their mistake. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, and then what happens next? Minus 4 minus 3. No. You owe somebody 4, you owe somebody 3. Minus 7 plus 2. Alright. The calculator, if you want it, don't even put down the x. Just go to your calculator and go minus 4 minus 3. Your calculator will tell you it's minus 7. Unless you're multiplying them, which you're not. Okay. How many people have done 20? We're going to do it, then I'm going to let you work at your own speed, okay? 5x by 4x. Anybody? 20x squared. 5x by 3. Minus 2 by 4x. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. 20x squared. What's 15 take 8? 15 take away 8, guys? 7x, yeah. And then minus 6.